Hi friends, today we are gonna make steamed modak. So let's go. Oh yes, and also try these questions putting the answers in the comment box below. At first, grind 2 bowls of jaggery. Then take 4 bowls of grated coconut. Take a suitable pan and add 3 teaspoons of melted butter with some poppy seeds and mix it well. You can add your favorite dry fruits as well. Then add the grated coconut and mix it well. After mixing, add the grated jaggery and mix it again. You can add sugar if needed. Then add cardamom powder, nutmeg powder, and mix it again. In a vessel, add 2 small bowls of water, 2 small bowls of milk, and 1 teaspoon of melted butter. On the other hand, take 4 small bowls of rice flour. Heat the liquid mixture and add rice flour to it. Sprinkle a little salt and mix it frequently to make it hard. Then step by step, take a little mixture and use water to make a soft dough. Then do the following steps to make a nice modak. Thanks for watching. I would love to see some answers in the comment box below. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for future challenges.